from somewhere beautiful. The 8 o'clock boat, and we're headed to Isla Coronado. Say hi, Pat!
Okay. Are you doing a selfie? We're heading out to Isla Coronado, another paradise. Paradise, such a paradise. Alright.
Yep, even the seagull agrees.
You know what? I have to go to the bathroom.
We're in Loreto and headed to Isla Coronado.
Coronado in San Diego?
No, Mexico.
And here's a handsome captain. Yeah. Bye-bye, Marina. There it is. Yeah, they're beautiful. Go sit, relax.
That little hump and bump in the distance is Isla Coronado.
And look, if you look there, the beautiful town of Loreto. Peaceful town. Oh, right there. Right in front of you.
Now he's eating here.
Ah, feeding here, huh?
You see the bird follow?
Yeah. Right there. Oh my gosh, right there on this side. They're going that way where the bird is. They're just resting here. Oh wow! Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. I got it. Yeah, look in front of you right there. Beautiful. Dolphin time.
Love the mom and fall on the baby.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right there. Here, look at the camera.
It's so baby. The mommy and baby.
Looking, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look, the baby went that way.
That is so cool. Dolphin time. Look. Wow, so many. Oh, the baby.
The baby?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, in the middle, huh? So mom and dad and the baby. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, right here, right here, right here,
Yeah?
right there, right there. Whoa! Wow, so many, so many. Wow!
That is so cool.
What the? Hey. Whoa!
Check out the lava formation. And look what we picked up.
Isla Coronado lava. You can scuba dive here by the rock formation. And the oink, 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 oink. Oh, here, look, baby. What'd you see?
Sea lions?
Big. Hi, buddy. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo que llamas? Beautiful.
They call the rock the king of
Loreto.
That's insane.
Your private beach. Free of water. Welcome to your island with the iguanas in there.
Probably not.
Made it to Isla Coronado. Beautiful water, huh? Look at how colorful green, clear.
And so here we are. We found ourselves yet again alone and deserted in an island.
My own island. Look, there's nobody here.
There's nobody, literally, just us and nature.
What if you're by yourself again? Look at this. And here's my baby. And that's our future house. Where are you?
Isla Coronado.
You're beautiful, baby. Give me a kiss.